Hello Malangs! Today we're gonna make Jajangmyeon, which is black bean paste noodle. For this recipe, it serves 6 people. Jajangmyeon is definitely one of my favorite childhood food. It's fast, easy to make, but also cheap as well. For the size of the vegetable, we're gonna rub cut it because if you cut it too small, at the end of the day, you can't really feel there is any vegetables in it. And then ginger, you can grate it or you can chop it like me. It helps enhance the flavor even better. We're gonna use pork loin today. For the pork loin, you don't have to put 300 grams. I just like my sauce being very meaty, so I put 300 grams. But if you don't want to put too much meat in it, reduce to like half, like 150 grams should be good enough for you. And also, if you want to use beef, go ahead. Same for the pork. We're gonna cube it about say quarter inch to half an inch cube. We still wanna feel the texture of the meat with the sauce at the end of the day, so we're gonna cut it a little bit bigger, not too small. For black bean paste, you can buy that anywhere in Asian store, such as Korean or Chinese market. If there is one already stir fried one, you can skip this procedure. What we're doing right now on a medium heat, we're gonna continuously stir it until the paste itself absorb all the oils in it. If you are not keep stirring it, it might burn, so keep an eye on it. Now we're gonna stir fry all the ingredients together. One thing you might consider is that we don't wanna cook all the way through. We just wanna soften up the onion, cook a little bit, say 50% to 60% on the pork, and then we're gonna add the black bean paste into the stir fry. For this recipe, you don't have to worry about adding water until the end, because all the waters from zucchini and onion will gonna help us mix the black bean paste into the sauce. Personally, I don't like make it too sweet. I wanna taste that umami and saltiness a little bit more better. So if you want to make it a little bit sweeter, you can put more than 2 tablespoons of sugar, but make sure you always taste it. As you guys can see, we're gonna put black bean paste into the waters from vegetables and mix. After this, you have to keep stirring it until all the ingredients are completely mixed. If you just let it on, it might burn the paste itself as well. Now, we wanna thicken up the sauce. We're gonna use cornstarch and water, 1:1 ratio. You wanna make sure that you're not putting this mixture when you are cooking on high heat, because it will gonna get solidified really quick, and then the result might not gonna be what you are expecting for. So we're gonna turn up the heat and then slowly mixing it while we are stirring the sauce. And as you can see, it taken up really fast. For the noodle, you can use any type of noodle. But nowadays, if you go to the Asian market, they sell pre-made noodles, which is amazing. Or you can make noodles at home. Up to you, whatever you want. Once the noodle is done, we're gonna strain the water and then give a quick cold water wash. It will make the texture of the noodle more glutinous. Thanks for watching today. And don't forget, subscribe and like, please. I'll see you guys next time.